Lakeside Today is sponsored by the Facial Aesthetics Designers, Inc., John Heimke, DMD. Dr. Heimke's dental practice, the Facial Aesthetic Designers, is enhancing its commitment to patient comfort and cutting-edge care by introducing guided biofilm therapy, GBT, and he's here now to tell us all about it. Dr. Heimke, welcome.
Thank you, thank you. Yeah, we're launching GBT. It's a new evolution in dental cleaning of the teeth. We are eliminating the instruments, those sharp metal instruments that scrape your teeth, and now we're using basically a clinical power washer. It's like a gentle power washer for the teeth. It uses erythritol, which is a sugar powder that the bacteria in the mouth do not convert to acid. It uses a medicated rinse and air, and all that gets combined into a gentle spray, and then the plaque is cleaned off of the teeth, the light tartar is cleaned off. We use a disclosing solution that causes the plaque to be identified in purple, and then merely it's sprayed away with this. It's very gentle, it feels great to the patient. And the other thing is it does not scratch dental work or teeth. So a lot of the pastes we use actually put little scratches in the teeth and the dental work, and this doesn't do that. It's almost a smooth thing when you look at it under the microscope. And then if you have an area of buildup of tartar, we have a little ultrasonic, site-specific we can go in the mouth. And then we can add that medicated spray deep under the gums if needed. So it's a great thing. Also, instead of twice a year, there's really not a lot of science for cleaning the teeth. Look at this, how it cleans it. But really, people should come in about 3 to 4 times a year for a gentle dental cleaning with GBT.
Interesting. So it looks like it's a lot more comfortable than traditional.
Oh yeah, it's way more comfortable. And the science studies that have been done are showing unbelievable responses of the gum tissues. So when you're going to get all that dental work done, smile makeover by us or dental implants, you want to be able to maintain it. And so GBT is the way to go. And we're bringing it now to Cleveland.
All right. So how can it also help prevent future dental problems?
Well, we're able to keep the gums more healthy. We're able to control, hopefully, the gum disease that people can have. And then we're able to see a little bit more often so we can identify things maybe when they start than when they get a lot worse.
Fascinating. All right, so who can get this kind of cleaning?
Really anybody, from kids to adults to people as they get older. It's meant for everybody. This is going to replace the standard way with sharp dental instruments on how to clean the teeth, and we're bringing it into the practice now. We will be starting it on patients probably by the end of the month.
That is fantastic. Yeah. You always have the cutting edge technology. I love it.
We try. It's changing weekly almost.
It really is.
Yeah.
All right, so for more information, you can visit them at the location you see on your screen. Go online to everyonelovesmysmile.com, or you can find out more by giving them a call at 888-255-3588.